Yes, yes, Kavya, come on.
According to me, sir, I think that internal beauty is more important than external beauty, but external beauty should also be considered important because as if we are going for a job or interview, so people they usually seek for a person's attitude, behavior, talent, and his knowledge, and his appearance as well. And if, for example, if we are going for a job in air hostess, so the people there will usually seek for a person's appearance more than their knowledge as they look for a girl's height, weight, and even if they look for a girl that there should be no marks on her body and they look for a person's perfection in their appearance. And considering that if anyone suppose that if anyone is sick in our family, so the looks and beauty will not work there. Their knowledge and talent will work there as it's important. And in talking about friendship, so people they usually make friends with those who are good in studies, they are talented and kind from heart, not from their looks and their arrogance. And talking about beauty, so there is an age that when we will start growing, our beauty will fade day by day. As we start growing old, so our beauty will become less, but our knowledge will never become less. It will just stay the same it was in our past. So I think that internal beauty is more important.
Okay, yes, now what is your view?
External beauty is more important because a person who got success in life, they always wear suit and all, they always maintain themselves and the person like who is wearing suit and all, that means he has inner heart, his heart is more good and confidence and the person behind it also have to make efforts as they have to maintain their skill, maintain their knowledge. Just this is I think that external beauty is more important.
Internal beauty is more important. Sorry, external beauty is more important. Yes, Aditya, what are you?
So my opinion is that internal beauty is more important than external beauty because there are three to four points when it comes to internal beauty. That first is our behavior. In behavior there are some things that should be minor. That our way of speaking and how we live in our society and these should be soft. And the second is our knowledge. What the knowledge should we have and there are two examples of some people who have they have good in internal beauty. So they are Chris Gayle and Jyoti Murmu is our chief our president. So and Chris Gayle is a cricket player. They are not in looks but they are from internal they are very mature and good. And in internal beauty, when we live in a society, so our internal beauty should be strong, and when our internal beauty is strong, so our society adopts us and we live in the society freely. When and another example is that when we going for an interview of UPSC, so there the judges are seeing our internal beauty. So that's why internal beauty is very important.
Yes, Avirat, what are your views?
Sir, in my opinion, internal beauty is more important as our behavior, the way we talk to others, our kindness in our heart. Sir, it all comes in internal beauty. Sir, as a slogan, never judge a book by its cover. So that means that the outlook is okay, but what we have in our brain, what knowledge we are gaining, can build our future.
Yes, what is your
When you
opinion?
go for an interview of UPS, and so your knowledge and your external beauty is also seen because when you are well maintained and the slogan said that first impression is the last impression. So we are well maintained and every successful people are well maintained because they know how to look presentable. That's why people think that they are so much educated and good looking also. So I think external beauty is more important than internal beauty.
Okay, very good. Beauty is important, as she mentioned, because when you are going for the interview and all, so somewhere the interviewer sees when you enter the room. Now he judges you, as she has mentioned, that first impression is the last impression. If you speak well over there, your starting is good. Yes, come on.
So I think internal beauty is more important because even if a person looks very good but their behavior is not good and they don't talk with respectfully, no one will like to talk to them. But on other side, if someone looks very good and their behavior is also good, they talk with respectfully, then everyone will like to talk with them because people prefer those persons who talk to others with respectful and kindness. When we talk about friends, we choose those persons who have internal beauty because those persons always support us and care us. Those people always protect us, and internal beauty is more valuable and long lasting.
Very good.
I think external beauty is more important than internal beauty because that one of my senior has mentioned that internal beauty is more important. Everybody sees your knowledge, your education, your talent. That is good. That you are talented, you are educated, you have a total knowledge of everything. But somewhere, when you are going for a job or an interview, so first of all, the person sees your external beauty, that how you maintain yourself, how you are looking, how you made your hair and your dressing sense, your fashion sense. So when a person is looking good, so anyone who sees she or her, he or she. So in a mind that he is looking good, so he will know that when he is looking, he or she is looking good. So maybe he is good from heart also. So I think this is not correct that internal beauty is more important.
Yes, what is your opinion?
I think internal beauty is more important with the comparison of external beauty because
In comparison of external.
comparison of internal beauty, so I am giving example of actress Srishti. She belongs to the very poor family, and when we go for the job of IPS, we can get the job of IPS when we have only external beauty, not the internal beauty, so we cannot got the IPS job.
Okay, nice. Okay.
External beauty is more important because first people see external beauty because if you are looking gorgeous and pretty, people want to make friendship with you, people attract with you. They want to make friendship with you. People don't wait that she and he come first and talk to me. People already come with you to make friendship, and they like air hostel. Air hostel maintain themselves very good and pretty and neat and clean. That's why people want to talk to them very politely.
Yes, Kavya, good.
Talking about marriage, I think that internal beauty is more important there because let's say that if both groom and bride they are getting married, so they have to be loyal, kind-hearted, and loving for each other than having only beauty. Because let's say that only if they have beauty but they don't have kind heart, they don't have loyalty for each other, and if both are abusive, so they will not create a healthy relationship with each other, and it will harm their future and their future kids as well. So I think that internal beauty is more important.
So as my senior one
As my senior colleague has said,
as my senior one has said,
the speech.
so as my senior one has mentioned that when we go for marriage,
Internal beauty is
internal beauty
it matters.
it matters, but this is wrong. When we go for marriage, everyone can see our dress our dress looking, we are looking how and external beauty is important for we go